Okay, Pajero Evolution in the house. So this is, the SUV that I always liked when I was growing up. Okay, the Mitsubishi, Mitsubishi, Mitsu, Mitsubishi. Chuck it, Pajero Evolution. Okay, so this is the Pajero Evolution. Uh, Mitsubishi, Pajero Evolution. So I like this car. Okay, got it from the local store at MRP. I just want to open it up. Let's do that. So another day, another knife. Skill improvement. Ooh, no, 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 no. Oh my god. I just went deep. Oh! I really can't, learn enough from this. I will get better one day. That's for sure. I don't care how many cars do I damage. I have not damaged this one. Hopefully. Nope, I'm not. But I can see one thing here. Can you see this? No, the wheels are sort of gone. I don't know. This is not because of the knife. You can see here. This is not because of the knife at all. So yeah, this is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Very nice car. Very, very, good car. This was an STH in this case. I think it was the J or K case. I'll just give it down below in the description. Please check it out. And yeah, awesome car. Nice paint job. Is there any paint irregularities? Maybe some, not on the roof at least. Some irregularities is there. Not much. No, I can ignore that. Anybody can ignore that. Yeah, looks very nice. The front details is nice. Look at that. And this deserved to be an STH. Okay, not this one, not this car specifically that I'm holding, but the one they made is very nice. It has a TH logo here and it's nice. This rear wheel is nice. They've done a very good job. Metal here, Hotwheels. It says Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution Hotwheels, made in Malaysia. Nice. Let's see how it rolls. Okay, makes some noise. Okay, let me change the camera angle and give you a better view. Okay, so we have this one here. It rolls freely. Just hold on a minute. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nice detailings. I love the detailings. And look at this one, HW GRFX off-road. I love this car. Is this the exhaust? Yeah, this is the exhaust. Love the small details that they have done. I love this back. You look at the back. Okay, let me change the angle again once. Yeah, so look at the back. It looks so nice. See, just hold on a second. Sorry about all this. Yeah, so amazing looking car, right? Looks very amazing. And this actually is a very good car. On this one they have this, can you see this? They have the details here. What the real cars offer, some tint sort of thing, but it is textured, right? It also has the rear view mirrors. I love that. And yeah, this is everything you need to know about this particular Hot Wheels STH, not STH, non-STH model. Yeah, so this is it. the Pajero Evolution. Rolls very nicely, smoothly. Slight wheel wobbling here and there. Just check, okay? Did you notice something? Yeah, this looks amazing right here, right now. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so this was it from today's video, and this was Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. I really hate the pronunciation that I am giving out. Okay, I will try to improve it. Next video, I will promise you I will say it correctly. Okay, so that's it for today, and please do give it a like, share, and a sub to the channel would be much appreciated. We need your support, and we need to grow. I need to get that lighting properly and some small equipment here and there. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a good day, keep collecting, and I hope this week you get a very cool car. Bye, and me, I'll sign out for now. Take care.